येरादारीची गचमुड्डी, पार्किंग विक्रेत्यांचे अतिक्रमण जाग्यार घालपाक PWDन मॉनिटर करपी वाहनां घेवन भोंवचे, गोवा कॅनान एक उपाय सुचयला. निकतीच सावथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट रोड सेफ्टी कमिटीची मीटिंग जाली. साबार NGO, ट्रॅफिक DYSP, RTO, हेल्थ, PWDन जोड बसका घेतली. नोटिफाय करून एरिया चलिल्ली पार्किंग आनी एनक्रोचमेंटाचो विशय जाग्यार घालपाक थळाव्या विभागांक सुचोवणी दितले. एडिशनल कलेक्टरान सांगले.
Like police station wise, so all the police stations of South Goa have this committee with a junior engineer, the health department, and they're supposed to analyze, especially all the fatal accidents, But this committee also has never functioned, and every time I'm raising it, what has happened, what is happening. So now we have made the SP. The SP was never part of this committee. So we had moved to make the office of the SP to be part of this committee, so we can follow up with them as to what is happening with this committee. The issue has come up several times. I had asked the collector to call a special meeting of the Directorate of Panchayat and Directorate of Municipality. But when I raised this question, we received because the police was saying, that we are going and challaning people for parking on the road or for vending or whatever. But with parking on the road, the huge shops are being opened and there is no parking. So they were like saying that the local body is like the municipality is responsible for giving trade license. So they shouldn't be giving trade license. But the DMA put on record a letter to say that if the TCP passes a building which has shops, then the local body has no jurisdiction to not issue trade license. So we had said to take up this issue and call a special meeting with regards to TCP, the DMA and Directorate of Panchayat, so this issue can be sorted out.
What about the hawkers and
that also will come under, minus the TCP, that would come under the local bodies itself, because they are sitting on. And I had moved a proposal that the PWD should have vehicles to monitor, to monitor all the roadside vendors or whatever, whoever encroachments of any kind, that they protect their area. When we had asked, like they say that there is not a particular, in some places there is only so much shoulder of the road, like say 2 meters, some places 1 meter. But whatever we said, you have to monitor that. So you hire your vehicles to patrol the highways and check. Village roads, the local bodies will have to do.
Meetings today, aspect RTOs, NGOs, health, PWDs, various issues which are faced regarding the road safety has been discussed, and direction has been given to the concerned department to rectify the reports.
There was the issue of parking in Margaon and other areas, city area, like there are notified parking. This
we will issue a direction to the local bodies wherein they are leading the occupancy.